Inspired by the olden day steakhouses that all had like beautiful jacket potatoes, but we want to make it messy and I want to make it fun. Got my friend here, Shaun, by the way, from Fear. These potatoes for our dish, stab them. We just do this so that the steam can permeate through. Then you want to roll that up. You want to double layer it because we're going to cook this directly in the charcoal.
Okay.
Yeah. We're going to pop our potatoes into the charcoal, bury them in there.
A braai without a beer is not a braai. So let's see if I can open. Here we go. Cheers, buddy.
Let's head to the fire.
Looking forward to this.
So once your potatoes are like almost cooked, you just use a skewer to check them once they're nice and soft. So that's when you cook your sausage. What I like about the Grabouw sausage from Woolworths, it's got a bit of ground beef and a bit of pork. That's why that's a bit of sweetness and saltiness.
Pork also makes it a little bit more moist on the inside.
Yes. So what we do, when I put some butter at the bottom of the pan, because we want the potato to crisp at the bottom, you know. Go crazy, surprise me.
Down.
Yes.
Down.
Yes.
Down.
Like I think you would fall asleep after you eat this
what's
one.
next?
What's next? A bit more butter, important salt.
It makes a great chakalaka.
You know what? That's people fight about that, eh? But I believe like baked beans change the world. Like this could feed like all the Springboks, I think. What's a world without cheese? Very sad place. You see, Shaun? Work smart, not hard. So sprinkle some chives.
Let's dig in there. I like the spice of that chakalaka coming through. This is a nice dish, man.
Thank you.